Hi, welcome to my channel. I have a whole selection of different pieces of card and paper here. This particular one I've done using wax crayon and dies. I did do a video on it so you can watch it. I have some plain black card. I have a piece of paper here that I played around with. I've done a whole lot of different things on there, and on its own it doesn't look very nice, but I've cut it up so we'll be able to use it for my card making. You'll see as a background it'll work really well. And then I have some 160 grams white card. Right, so what I've done is I've taken a piece of this background card that I wasn't happy with and stuck that down as a background. Then I cut a strip of my hand decorated card, the one I did with the crayons and the inks, and I have just taken some double-sided tape and stuck that on the background. And this is a great way of using up papers and card which you might have made using jelly printing or just playing around at home. That stash can't keep growing without you using it, so we've got to do something. So if you're not making junk journals and scrapbooks and things like that, it's very easy. Card is the way to go. And I just want to show you that you don't have to have a lot of equipment to be able to do this. Right, so double-sided tape is quick and easy, and it's nice and clean for me to work with. And let me just move that to one side. So I'm going to take this and just square up my base card on my mat. This helps me just to get everything aligned. And I'm going to secure this piece so that it is actually running from one lengthwise from one side of the card to the other. Sorry, that must just come over a bit. And then I'm just going to seal it down. So that's going to be my card. And then I have taken again another piece of this background that I wasn't happy with, cut a square of black over that, and I've offset that so that it's not too matchy, and I've stuck a sentiment down. And if you are somebody who doesn't cut accurately or you don't have a cutting mat, by offsetting a square like that, you can trick the eye into believing that you've cut a perfectly good rectangle or a square, because your eye won't be able to follow the lines exactly because it's at an angle. So that is just something that is well worth noting if you aren't able to cut nicely. And I'm going to just take this now and I'm going to center that over my center strip and put that down. And there's a very simple card using scraps, and I particularly wanted to show you a background that I didn't really fancy too much. But in conjunction with the other patterns and things I've got, I'm actually very happy with my card. So there you go, simple card made with scraps that I've got lying around at home. Hope you've enjoyed that. Bye for now.